The first step is to open Women's Health Research Cluster, YouTube, and click Highlight. Click YouTube Studio. Click Playlists. Click New Playlist. Type Add Title. Click Public. Click Create. Click Videos. With your mouse, hover Highlight. Scroll down and click Highlight. Click Save to Playlist. Click Highlight. Click Highlight. Click YouTube Studio. Click Playlists. Click Edit in YouTube. Here you can rearrange the video's highlight. Click and hold on the double lines on the left of. With your mouse, click and drag to where you want the video, then drop it on highlight. Do it for all the videos that need to arranged highlight. Click Edit Description and add a small description for this playlist. Click Save. Click YouTube Studio. Scroll up and click Customization. You can add a new section, Introduction to Microeconomics. Click on the section and edit it. Click and select the playlist you want in this section. Click Select Data and Apps. To rearrange the playlist, with your mouse, click and drag Playlist and drop. Click Done. Click Publish. Click View Channel on YouTube. Check out your handiwork. You're done.